Welcome to the future of farming. Imagine a world where robots do the hard work, plowing fields, harvesting crops, and even pulling weeds, all without a human in sight. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, this isn't the future. It's happening right now. Today, we're diving into 10 futuristic farming robots and machines you won't believe exist. These cutting-edge innovations are revolutionizing agriculture, making farming more efficient, sustainable, and high-tech than ever before. From autonomous harvesters to AI-powered crop monitors, these machines aren't just gadgets. They're changing the way we grow food for good. So buckle up and get ready, because what you're about to see might just blow your mind. Let's jump in. Starting with number 10, the Dino by Nio Technologies. As technology continues to revolutionize farming, the Dino robotic weeder stands out as a prime example of automation meeting agriculture. Developed by Nio Technologies, this fully autonomous robot is specifically designed to handle large-scale vegetable farms with precision and efficiency. Unlike traditional mechanical weeders, which often require human operation and significant fuel consumption, Dino uses GPS and advanced sensors to autonomously navigate fields, identifying and eliminating weeds without harming the crops. What sets Dino apart is its fully electric operation, allowing it to work for long hours without producing harmful emissions. This not only makes it an eco-friendly solution, but also reduces fuel costs for farmers. Its long battery life and adaptability make it suitable for various field sizes and terrains, ensuring farmers can manage weed control with minimal manual intervention. Because of its lightweight frame, Dino avoids soil compaction, which is a major issue with heavier traditional tractors. With its ability to work day and night, Dino helps farmers save time and reduce their reliance on chemical herbicides, promoting sustainable and organic farming. As labor shortages become a growing challenge in agriculture, robots like Dino provide a practical solution, ensuring crops remain weed-free while allowing farmers to focus on other essential tasks. As robotic farming continues to evolve, Dino is paving the way for a future where automation and sustainability go hand in hand. Number 9, Thorvald, the versatile farm robot. Designed with flexibility and sustainability in mind, Thorvald is a robotic platform that can perform multiple tasks on a farm, making it one of the most versatile agricultural robots on the market. Developed by Norwegian researchers, this solar-powered machine is engineered to assist farmers in everything from disease prevention to crop monitoring and even light irrigation. One of its most revolutionary features is its ability to apply targeted UV light treatment to plants, an innovative approach that reduces the need for chemical fungicides. By using UV light, Thorvald helps protect crops from fungal diseases such as powdery mildew, which is a significant issue for vineyards, berry farms, and other specialty crops. This makes it particularly beneficial for organic farmers who need effective disease management without relying on synthetic chemicals. Thorvald's design is modular, meaning it can be adapted for different farming tasks, whether it's being used for weeding, plant health monitoring, or automated irrigation. Adjustments. This robot is proving to be an invaluable tool for farmers looking to increase efficiency while maintaining sustainability. It can even work alongside other robots, forming a collaborative system to optimize farm productivity. With the rising demand for environmentally friendly farming solutions, Thorvald represents a major step toward precision agriculture, where farmers can rely on smart, AI-driven technology to reduce waste, improve yields, and minimize environmental impact. As the agriculture industry embraces automation, robots like Thorvald will play an increasingly crucial role in feeding the world more efficiently. Coming in number 8, FarmWise's Titan, a new era of precision weeding. One of the biggest challenges in large-scale vegetable farming is weed control, and FarmWise has stepped up with an innovative AI-powered solution. Their autonomous weeding robot, known as Titan, is designed to reduce manual labor and chemical herbicide use by carefully distinguishing crops from weeds and mechanically removing unwanted plants with pinpoint accuracy. Using advanced computer vision and deep learning algorithms, Titan can scan the field in real time, identifying different plant species and determining which ones need to be eliminated. This level of precision means that farmers no longer have to rely on excessive herbicide applications, which can be costly and harmful to the environment. Instead, Titan provides a sustainable and cost-effective approach to weed management that aligns with modern agricultural best practices. This massive self-driving machine is built to handle thousands of acres efficiently, operating continuously with minimal supervision. Its rugged frame and durable durable components ensure it can withstand tough farming conditions, making it a reliable investment for large farms. Since weed competition can significantly reduce crop yields, Titan plays a key role in ensuring that crops have the best possible conditions for growth, ultimately leading to higher productivity and profitability for farmers. As the demand for chemical-free farming solutions increases, FarmWise's Titan is proving to be an essential tool for the future of agriculture. By combining automation with smart technology, this machine is leading the charge in precision, sustainability, and efficiency, helping to shape the next generation of farming practices. Number 7, Terra Sentia, the AI-powered data collector. Modern farming isn't just about growing crops, it's also about collecting data to make smarter decisions. Terra Sentia, a compact yet powerful robot, is designed to navigate fields autonomously while gathering valuable crop data. Developed by the University of Illinois, this AI-driven machine is equipped with high-resolution cameras and machine learning software to analyze plant health, measure growth, and detect early signs of disease. Unlike drones or large machinery that provide aerial data, Terra Sentia operates at ground level, moving between rows of crops to capture detailed, close-up images and sensor readings. This allows for a more comprehensive understanding of plant development, giving farmers insights into areas such as nutrient deficiencies, pest infestations, and yield potential. The real value of Terra Sentia lies in its ability to process and interpret data in real time. By identifying problems early, farmers can take proactive measures to address issues before they escalate, reducing crop losses and improving efficiency. Additionally, because it is small and lightweight, Terra Sentia can be used across a variety of crops without causing soil compaction or disturbing plant roots. With data-driven agriculture becoming more critical than ever, Terra Sentia is playing a key role in the shift toward precision farming, ensuring that farmers can maximize their yields while using resources more efficiently. As AI technology advances, robots like this will be indispensable tools for farmers looking to stay ahead of the curve. Moving on, number 6, Avo, the Orchard Guardian. Fruit orchards require a great deal of maintenance, and one of the most overlooked tasks is removing unharvested fruit, also known as mummies. These leftover fruits can harbor pests and diseases, threatening future harvests. Enter Avo, the autonomous robot developed by Insight Track, designed specifically to tackle this problem. Using machine vision technology, Avo scans trees for diseased or unwanted fruit and uses its robotic arm to remove them with surgical precision. This process, which was traditionally done by hand, is now fully automated, saving farmers countless hours of labor. Avo also analyzes the orchard's overall health, providing growers with insights into tree condition, potential pest risks, and fruit quality. With its ability to work in various terrains and climates, Avo is proving to be a game changer for orchard management. By automating this critical maintenance task, farmers can ensure healthier trees and higher yields without the manual effort previously required. As specialty crop farming becomes more reliant on technology, machines like Avo are demonstrating how automation isn't just for row crops, it's also transforming fruit and nut production. With its precise functionality and AI-powered insights, Avo is paving the way for a new era of smarter, more efficient orchard management. Number 5, Tertil, the solar-powered garden weeder. If you've ever had to spend hours pulling weeds from a garden, you'll appreciate the genius behind Tertil, the small but mighty robotic weeder. Developed by the creators of the Roomba, Tertil is an autonomous, solar-powered device designed to eliminate weeds in gardens and small-scale farms without the use of chemicals. This compact robot is completely self-sufficient, using solar power to keep its battery charged. It moves across the soil using built-in sensors to differentiate between crops and unwanted weeds. When it detects a weed, it activates its spinning trimmer, cutting it down before it has the chance to grow. Because it operates daily, weeds never get large enough to compete with crops, reducing the need for manual labor or herbicides. Tertil's weatherproof design means it can work in various conditions, and its randomized movement pattern ensures full coverage of an area over time. While it's primarily used for small farms and home gardens, the concept behind Tertil highlights the growing role of robotics in precision agriculture. As demand for sustainable farming solutions grows, robots like Tertil prove that automation isn't just for large-scale farms. Even backyard gardeners can now benefit from AI-driven weed control, making food production more accessible and efficient at every level. Number 4, Agrobot, the future of automated strawberry picking. Harvesting delicate fruits like strawberries has always been a labor-intensive job, requiring careful handling to avoid damaging the crop. Enter Agrobot, an AI-powered robotic harvester that is revolutionizing strawberry picking. Unlike traditional machines that rely on brute force, Agrobot uses AI and computer vision to assess fruit ripeness, ensuring only fully matured strawberries are harvested. The robot is equipped with multiple robotic arms, each fitted with specialized grippers that gently pluck strawberries without bruising them. These arms move independently, allowing Agrobot to operate efficiently in commercial strawberry fields. With labor shortages affecting the farming industry, this machine provides a solution by reducing the reliance on seasonal workers while increasing harvest efficiency. What makes Agrobot unique is its ability to adapt to different strawberry varieties and farm layouts. By adjusting its settings, farmers can optimize Agrobot's performance to suit their specific crop conditions. It can operate in greenhouses, open fields, or covered tunnels, making it one of the most versatile robotic harvesters available. As the demand for fresh produce rises, technologies like Agrobot ensure that farmers can keep up without sacrificing quality or profitability. With advancements in AI and machine learning, we can expect to see even more intelligent robotic harvesters in the near future. Number 3, Harvest Kaikoro, the high-speed berry harvester. Following closely behind Agrobot is Harvest Kaikoro, another game-changing robotic harvester designed for the berry industry. While Agrobot focuses on precision picking, Harvest Kaikoro is built for speed and efficiency, capable of harvesting up to 8 acres of strawberries per day, a task that would take an entire crew of workers significantly longer. This robotic harvester operates by moving over strawberry plants and gently collecting ripe berries with its soft-touch picking mechanisms. Its onboard AI analyzes each berry in real time, ensuring only the best quality fruit is selected. Unlike traditional mechanical harvesters, which often damage fruit, Harvest Karu's delicate touch maintains the strawberry's market quality, making it ideal for fresh produce sales. Farmers using Harvest Karu have reported significant cost savings, as the machine reduces the need for seasonal labor, which has become harder to find in recent years. Additionally, since Harvest Karu works around the clock, it allows for faster and more consistent harvesting schedules, ensuring that berries reach the market at peak freshness. With technology like this, the future of berry farming is becoming increasingly automated, helping farmers maintain high production rates while reducing costs and labor challenges. As the population grows and food demand increases, robots like Harvest Karu will play a crucial role in keeping fresh produce affordable and available year-round. Number 2, Gus, the autonomous orchard sprayer. Orchards and vineyards require regular spraying to protect crops from pests and diseases. Traditionally, this has been done using large tractors operated by human drivers, until now. Gus, Global Unmanned Spray System, is an autonomous, self-driving orchard sprayer that allows farmers to cover more ground with fewer workers. Gus uses GPS navigation and advanced AI to drive itself through orchards, spraying trees with pinpoint accuracy. Unlike traditional methods, which often result in overspraying or missed areas, Gus optimizes pesticide and fertilizer use, reducing waste and environmental impact. Since it doesn't require a human driver, multiple Gus units can operate simultaneously, allowing large orchards to be sprayed in a fraction of the time. Another major advantage is safety. Spraying chemicals can expose workers to harmful substances. But with Gus, farmers can manage the entire operation remotely. This not only improves worker safety, but also reduces labor costs and ensures that spraying is done consistently and efficiently. Gus is already in use on some of the largest farms in the US, proving that autonomous farming equipment isn't just a concept, it's a reality. As AI-driven automation becomes the norm, expect to see more self-driving machines like Gus revolutionizing modern agriculture. And finally, at number 1, Nexus Robotics, the future of smart farming. At the forefront of AI-driven agricultural technology is Nexus Robotics, a company dedicated to creating the most intelligent farming robots on the planet. Their flagship robot, La Chèvre, French for the goat, is an autonomous machine designed for weed control and crop monitoring. Unlike other robotic weeders, La Chèvre doesn't just remove weeds, it learns and adapts to different farming environments. Using machine learning algorithms and advanced cameras, it identifies plants with extreme precision, ensuring that only weeds are removed while crops remain untouched. This means farmers can reduce herbicide usage and improve soil health, leading to better long-term sustainability. La Chèvre is built to work continuously, operating day and night thanks to its hybrid electric diesel system. It can cover vast areas of farmland without requiring frequent refueling, making it ideal for large-scale agricultural operations. Farmers using Nexus Robotics technology have reported significant increases in efficiency, as the robot allows them to focus on other critical farm management tasks. Beyond weeding, Nexus Robotics is expanding the capabilities of La Chèvre to include crop health analysis, disease detection, and precision fertilization, making it one of the most promising multi-purpose robots in agriculture. As the world moves toward AI-driven precision farming, Nexus Robotics is leading the charge, proving that the future of farming is not just automated, but also smarter and more sustainable.